No more doing your buns like this.
Boring.
Instead, add this one extra step. So you can pull your hair all the way back, or you can leave some face framing pieces. It's actually beautiful today, 70 degrees, so I'm not gonna be sweating, so I'm gonna leave some hair out. I'm just gonna use a clear hair tie because I don't want it to be as obvious as like a regular hair tie. Okay, so we are going to pull our hair back. From here, we're just pulling our hair through like a regular ponytail, okay? All the way through. It's just a ponytail. Now, we're gonna take it to the next step by doing this. We are gonna create an opening right above and below our hair tie. So you can see my thumb sticking through the opening. We are just gonna take our ponytail and we're gonna push it under and up through that opening and just pull your ends through. Now, this is the part that no one likes, but I'm sorry, this is just what you have to do. So you're just gonna spread your hair out into two and tighten it. You don't have to do it aggressively. It's just we're tightening it a little bit. It's not gonna hurt your hair. So just tighten it like that. And you can see we already have this interesting looking texture right here. Take an additional hair tie, pull it through once, twice. On the last time, just pull your hair tie over a little bit to form a little half bun. So my half bun has to be small because I don't have a lot of hair left. So now we have ends hanging out, and I'm just going to wrap those around the front and back into the back, twisting them, tucking them back into that hair tie. And then just kind of pinching and pulling that bun right there. So now that like little reverse topsy tail texture that we created here, I'm just gonna kind of pinch it just a little bit. We don't wanna loosen it up too much. Just kind of pinch and pull everything. Here's what it looks like from the front. I mean, it just looks like a basic bun. And I know people say the back of my hair is none of my business. It's my business, okay? Most of the time I see the back of people's heads. So like, I wanna look good in the back too, you know? So let's spin all around. Adding this one extra step can change the look of your messy bun. So start out, put your hair into a basic ponytail, then create an opening above and below your ponytail, and you're gonna flip your ends under and up through. So this is a reverse topsy tail. Pull your ends all the way through and then just tighten them. Now take another hair tie, and how you do your messy bun is up to you. I'm just gonna pull my hair through and just do a little half bun with my ends. I'm just gonna wrap them around the base, tuck them back into the hair tie. Then I'm just gonna pinch and pull everything, stretch it out, and then I'll show you what mine look like right now. It is super cute. I probably could have bobby pinned the other side, but that's okay. What do you think? So I just took the bun down, but we still have our little reverse topsy tail situation here. Now, a quick and easy hairstyle, it's not really a bun, but you could just put a clip right above that little section there and just have your ends hanging down. Easy peasy. I think this would look better though with long hair. For me personally, it doesn't, it looks a little silly. So another option here, I'm just gonna tighten this section, this reverse topsy tail. We're gonna split our ends into two. We're gonna tie a knot like we're tying our shoe. So we're crisscrossing them to form an X. There's an opening, you just flip your ends through, just like you're tying a shoelace. And you do it again. So I'm just gonna twist my ends hanging out because it's a little bit easier. And you can do this however many times you need to. I just bring my ends in the back like this, and I'm just gonna tie it. Just wrap it over. And then you can pinch and pull it. Pinching and pulling is going to make the hairstyle most of the time. Now for this one, I am just going to bobby pin it down. Just like that maybe. But again, you can see the interest that that little reverse topsy tail adds. I think it just looks adorable. Oh, and here it is from the front too. Super cute. So anyways, that's really it. Pretty much any messy bun you do, you can add that little extra step if you have enough hair, and it just takes it up a notch. So that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.